Okay, I'm going to very carefully start this ring installing on the piston. So this, just get it started slowly into the groove, then walk it around ever so slightly. Don't want to pull it too much because these can break, is what I hear. So just walk it around. I didn't walk it around very well, but it's in there. I believe that's the one that's supposed to be marked N. These weren't marked N, but then also says put the chrome ring on top. So if you guys find something different, let me know. Stay tuned. So I'm gonna walk this one around ever so slightly. There you go.